Hey there! In this video, let us showcase how easily the universities can customize their own templates for the various certificates they issue to the students via LegiCred. LegiCred operates on a blockchain-powered SaaS platform tailored for universities and educational bodies to securely issue a range of credentials, all stored immutably on the blockchain. In our previous video, we showcased the simple steps for the universities to set up the payment for students to access their certificates. We'll add the video link in the comment box. We are currently on the university dashboard. Let's show you the current certificate templates before making any changes. Let's click on the Credentials tab and go to the Attested or Achieved students. As you can see, there are already some students whose certificates have been generated. Let's view the current certificate designs that have been issued to the students. Here we have the Provisional Certificate, the Migration Certificate, the Transcript Certificate, and the Degree Certificate. As you can see, the certificates carry the logo of the university and the signature of the authorized signatory. Let us now quickly showcase to you how you can make changes in the certificate's designs and templates. Let's go to the Settings and click on Certificate Templates. It will take you to this screen. Here you can see the template that is being used currently, along with some other designs. Universities have the option to receive tailor-made certificate designs according to their preferences. Let's change the certificate design by clicking on one of the templates. Click on the Save Template option on the top right of the screen. The template has now been saved. Let's quickly view how the certificates look now. Please note that the certificate design won't change for the already certified students. In order to view the updated certificate design, let's recertify the student and view her certificates. As you can see, the certificate designs have been updated. Let us now quickly showcase how the universities can change the logo and the sign on the certificate. Let's go to the certificate templates and click on the logo here and upload the desired logo. The signature can be changed similarly. Once done, let's click on Save Template. Universities can also have different logos and signatures for different certificates. Let's quickly view how the new certificates look after recertifying the student again. As you can see, the certificates have been updated with the new logo and signature. We just witnessed how easy and simple it is for universities to customize their certificate templates and designs on LegiCred. This helps in maintaining the brand authority of the universities. Stay tuned for more insights into LegiCred's features in our upcoming videos. In case of any queries, feel free to reach out via email or call us directly. Have a fantastic day.